Let us solve this problem using GEMDAS, grouping, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So we will first solve this number with exponent. 3 raised to 2, that is 3 times 3. We have 9 plus the numbers inside the parentheses. So we will first do multiplication. We have 2 plus 12 and then times 2. So unahin natin to. 12 times 2 is 24. Okay, next we have to the right. Okay, so we have 9 plus 2 plus 24 is we have 26. Next, we have 16 divided by 4 is 4. Okay, next, 9 plus 26 is we have 35 minus 4. So 35 minus 4 is 31.